The Be Cool Ranger is a powerhouse in the world of electric bikes, boasting a rugged design built for both comfort and performance. This e-bike features a robust aluminum frame that ensures durability while maintaining a sleek and modern appearance. The Be Ranger is designed to tackle all terrains with ease. Its bold aesthetic, combined with a practical build, makes it a reliable companion for both urban commutes and off-road adventures. Unboxing the Be Cool Ranger was a straightforward experience. The e-bike arrived in secure packaging with all components securely protected by foam and zip ties. The process began with removing the protective materials, which revealed the e-bike's striking design. The first step in the assembly process was attaching the handlebars. I loosened the bolts on the bike stem, positioned the handlebars to my preferred angle, and tightened them securely. Installing the front wheel was equally simple. After loosening the bolts on the front fork, I placed the wheel in the position and retightened the bolts to ensure it was secure. The pedals were marked for the left and right sides, making installation easy. A quick twist followed by tightening with the wrench ensured they were securely in place. Lastly, I attached the front headlamp by loosening the bolts on the fork brace, positioning the lamp and tightening the bolts to complete the setup. The Be Cool Ranger is packed with impressive features. It houses a 1000 watt continuous 1300 watt peak geared hub motor, delivering a robust 110 nanometers of torque, paired with a 48 volt 20 amp lithium-ion battery. The e-bike can reach speeds of 28 miles per hour and offers an impressive range of 60 to 85 miles, depending on the riding mode. The bike's full suspension, including an adjustable hydraulic fork and rear horse link suspension, ensures a smooth ride over any terrain. Additionally, the dual 180mm hydraulic disc brakes provide excellent stopping power, enhancing safety in all conditions. The e-bike is equipped with a 7-speed Shimano gear system, allowing for seamless transitions between gears, whether you're climbing hills or cruising on flat surfaces. The color display is a standout feature, providing clear and bright information about your speed, battery level, and more. It even includes a USB port for charging devices on the go. Taking the Be Cool Ranger for a spin through the North Georgia mountains was nothing short of an adventure. These mountains, with their mix of steep inclines, winding roads, and rugged trails, provide the ultimate testing ground for any electric bike. The Be Cool Ranger, with its robust build and powerful motor, promised to rise to the challenge, and it did not disappoint. My journey began early in the morning, just as the first light of day was creeping over the mountain ridges. The air was cool and crisp, with a slight mist hanging over the valleys, a perfect setting to test the Be Cool Ranger. The initial part of the ride took me along a remote, unpaved road, one of those paths that's more familiar to deer and wild turkey than to vehicles. As I set off, the first thing I noticed was the quiet hum of the Be Cool Ranger's motor. Unlike many other e-bikes that emit a noticeable whine when the motor kicks in, the Ranger was almost silent, allowing me to fully immerse myself in the sounds of the surrounding nature. The crunch of the gravel under the fat tires, the rustling of leaves, and the occasional bird call were all I could hear, which was a welcome reminder of why I love riding in the North Georgia mountains. The unpaved road was a mix of loose gravel, dirt, and occasional large rocks. This kind of terrain is the kind that can quickly become treacherous on a lesser e-bike. However, the Be Cool Ranger's 20-inch by 4-inch fat tires provided excellent traction. The wide tires gripped the uneven ground firmly, preventing any slippage even over the steepest sections. This stability was further enhanced by the bike's full suspension system. The adjustable hydraulic fork up front and the horse link suspension worked in harmony to absorb the shocks and bumps on the trail, making what could have been a jarring ride Surprisingly smooth, climbing steep inclines is often the ultimate test for any e-bike, and the North Georgia mountains has no shortage of such challenges. As I switched to pedal assist mode, this is where the Be Cool Ranger truly shines. The combination of my pedaling and the 1000 watt continuous motor peaking at 1300 watts made short work of the climb. The motor delivered a steady and powerful boost, allowing me to ascend the incline without breaking a sweat. The torque, an impressive 110 nanometers, was evident as the bike powered up the hill, maintaining speed and control even as the gradient increased. After any climb comes the descent, which in the mountains can be just as challenging, if not more so. Descending on gravel road requires a steady hand and a reliable braking system, both of which the Be Cool Ranger provided. The dual 180mm hydraulic disc brakes were a standout feature here. With just a light squeeze of the brake levers, the bike slowed down smoothly and predictably. There was no sudden jerking or skidding, which can be a common issue with lesser braking systems. Instead, the hydraulic brakes provided a confidence-inspiring level of control, allowing me to navigate the twists and turns of the mountains with ease. As I descended, I encountered several switchbacks, sharp hairpin turns that demand precise handling. The Be Cool Ranger's sturdy frame and fat tires again proved their worth. The bike remained stable and responsive, even when I had to make quick adjustments to avoid loose rocks or sudden drops on the edge of the road. The wide-angle adjustable stem and the comfortable grips played their part too, providing a secure hold and precise control over the bike's direction. One of the great things about riding in the North Georgia mountains is the opportunity to explore off the beaten paths. With its powerful motor and rugged build, the Be Cool Ranger encourages this kind of adventure. I took a detour onto a narrow trail and wound through a dense forest, the kind of path that would be challenging for most bikes, but was well within the capabilities of the Ranger. On paved roads, the bike's throttle was a joy to use. With just a twist of the throttle, the Ranger surged forward, quickly reaching speeds of 28 miles per hour. The transition from the rugged trail to the smooth pavement was seamless, thanks to the bike's versatile design. The winding paved roads offered a series of sharp curves and steep descents, each one an opportunity to test the Be Cool Ranger's agility. The bike handled these challenges with ease, remaining stable and responsive even at higher speeds. The fat tires, which had been so effective on the gravel road, also provided excellent grip on the pavement, ensuring that I could take the corners with confidence. One of the standout experiences during this part of the ride was the sheer thrill of speed. The Be Cool Ranger's powerful motor made it easy to accelerate out of each turn, and the bike's aerodynamic design meant that I could maintain a high speed with minimal effort. The Shimano 7-speed transmission was again a key player, allowing me to quickly find the right gear for each section of the road. As the road began to descend back into the valley, I took a moment to reflect on the ride. The Be Cool Ranger had proven itself to be an adaptable and capable companion, handling everything from rough trails to smooth pavement with equal ease. The final stretch of the ride was a long, winding descent that offered panoramic views of the mountains, an unforgettable end to an exhilarating experience. The descent also provided one last opportunity to test the bike's braking system. With the road dropping away steeply, I relied on the dual hydraulic disc brakes to control my speed. Once again, they delivered, providing smooth, reliable stopping power that allowed me to enjoy the descent without concern. Riding the Be Cool Ranger through the North Georgia mountains was an experience that highlighted the bike's strengths in every way. Its powerful motor, advanced suspension system, and rugged build made it an ideal choice for anyone looking to explore challenging terrains. At the same time, its comfort features and practical designs ensure that it's just as enjoyable to ride on smoother roads. Whether you're an adventure seeker looking to tackle mountain trails, or someone who enjoys leisurely rides through scenic landscapes, the Be Cool Ranger offers a ride that that's both thrilling and comfortable. The North Georgia mountains provided the perfect backdrop for this test, and the Be Cool Ranger proved to be more than up to the challenge. This is a bike that can truly do it, making every ride an adventure to remember. The Be Cool Ranger is an adaptable and powerful e-bike that excels in both urban and off-road environments. Its robust build, powerful motor, and advanced features make it a top contender in the electric bike market. Whether you're looking for an e-bike to tackle rough terrains or simply want a reliable and stylish ride for your daily commute, the Be Cool Ranger is an excellent choice. Its ability to handle different terrains with ease, combined with its impressive range and speed, ensures that every ride is not only enjoyable, but also memorable. This e-bike is a true all-rounder, offering a blend of performance, comfort, and style that is hard to beat.